Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the maximum total power of Gorenje cooking stove. So in the first step we have to unplug the device from the electricity. Now just plug in again, and after it you have a 30 seconds to hold this cooking zone number 1 and this number 4 together for a few seconds. Sorry, we have to turn on the device before. Okay, now the 28 means we have a power limitation 2800 watts. In default state of this device we have a limitation to the maximum, so 7200 watts. So if you want to manage the maximum power of this device, just use the arrows to adjust it. And after that, if you want to apply the settings, hit the first and fourth together, the cooking zone, and now we have a new power limitation. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.